So welcome to my live stream. So meron na akong bagong docking station. So I have my docking station. Ito po siya. This is the RJ Socks docking station. And this is connected to my ROG Ally. So if I turn this like that, so it will be disconnected from my projector.
Is because of the
But
medicine.
if I re-plug it in, where is it?
Have I ever done anything other than what's been asked of me?
Then it's gonna go back to the HDMI. Ayan. Oops. It's not turning on. HDMI 2 ba? Yan, HDMI 2. So, itong docking station na to ay mayroong mga ports. Oops. Okay, kasi nga yung ROG Ally ay walang masyadong ports. So, I have a new docking station. Dito yung HDMI. This is where you plug in the USB Type-C. Dito yung host. Ito yung LAN cable. And this is the power supply. Meron pa siyang dalawang extra USB port. At isa pang USB port. Yan. So, meron siyang RGB effect. Yan. And then, dito nilalagay yung device, yung ROG Ally. So, ito is placed there. Ayan. So, I can hook this up to a monitor or projector like this. So, for example, pwede ko siyang ibaba dyan. Baba ko dito, ganyan. And then, ito dito. So, I could work this out for my plan. My purpose in life. Purpose in life. Yan, ganyan po siya. So, pwede siya, ito ay extension to the projector or the monitor that I'll be using in the future. Yan. So, I'm so happy dahil mahal din tong docking station na to. Maabot din siya ng mga 3K. Yan. So, yeah. So, complete na yung ano ko. Kulang na lang ako ng monitor at saka headset. Yun na lang. Dalawa na lang ang kulang ko. And then, okay na. Nakakapag-gaming din ako while this is connected to the docking station. And while it is connected to the docking station, it's charging. The docking station is charging this unit or the ROG Ally. And then ayun nga, so marami akong pwedeng i-connect sa kanya. Kunyari webcam, USB headset, and then ito naka-wireless mouse and naka-wireless keyboard, naka-Bluetooth. Ayan. So, hope you like and enjoyed my video. Have a great day and Happy New Year.